flooded all the way right there. Fucking wanker. I'm on my college break at the moment. Going up to Subway. I'm hungry as shit. I'm on my lunch. Off college. Jesus, my eyes are inflamed. I haven't stopped sneezing. Fucking send help. I'm dying. Oh.
I like cars than walking.
Yeah.
Right, come on baby, I'll give you some food and then you're all sorted.
He's a good girl. So I've actually just started replacing my what's it called? My blower for the AC in this car, because it was shit. It kept rattling, it was annoying, it was loud. This is a new one, it's better. So let's see if I can get. Be able to do it, so I hadn't. I should be able to. Okay, let's I'm gonna be just quiet. I'm gonna mute the audio and just play music. So yeah, you guys are gonna enjoy watching me struggle with this. with this screw. Now I've got to fit this back on. Yeah. Do you guys want to see more videos of me working on my car? Because, you know, I kind of actually enjoy doing this. Now, it's a screwdriver. You know, I can't even tell if my camera's actually looking where I'm looking, so this is probably just going to be dead ass footage. This motherfucker just go in. Just got something in my fucking eye again. Son of a bitch.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound. And we just slow down. For you and I
Now I can use this.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound.
Now we need to fit the side panel back on, which is right here.
And we just slow waste another day. Eyes on my display. You say we need a change, feel that you mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, it's not like we need them.
Put everything back where it was. My hands dirty as shit. I've just fitted a new aircon into my car because shut the fuck up, you dumb bitch. Because the old one was knackered. So I fitted a new one and it's better as fuck right now. Gotta get everything out of my car. I feel shit. I feel really shit today. My jaw's killing me. Very, very killing me. I was like, I need to get this done I'm never gonna get it done otherwise if I don't get it done now. Gotta reverse my car. Gotta reverse my car back into its parking spot. Rookie mistake. Even though it stalled. First time today I've stalled. Ooh, maybe. Alright, now I've got to go pick up my sister. Alright, in a bit.